In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Google Sites theme. If you want your site to look polished and on brand without spending hours designing every detail, customizing your theme is the fastest way to get there. We'll keep this simple and focused so you can make confident choices and see the results right away. Start by opening your site in Google Sites. Sign into your Google account, head to sites.google.com and select the site you want to work on. Once your site is open in the editor, remember that theme settings apply across your whole site, so any changes you make will keep your pages consistent and cohesive. Look to the right-hand panel and click Themes. You'll see a selection of ready-made themes, each with its own default colors, font pairings, and layout personality. This is your starting point, and picking a theme that matches the tone of your content, professional, creative, casual, or academic, will save you time later. Select a theme you like by clicking it. You'll notice your site preview updates immediately, which makes it easy to compare options. If you're unsure, choose something clean and readable. Simple themes usually work best for a wide range of content and devices. Now it's time to customize what's inside that theme. Under the theme options, adjust your colors. Choose a primary accent color that aligns with your brand or project, and make sure text remains legible against backgrounds. High contrast is key for accessibility. For example, dark text on a light background or the reverse. If you're not sure, stick to the built-in palettes. They're designed to balance readability and style. Next, update your fonts. You'll typically see separate controls for headings and body text. Pick a clear modern sans serif for a contemporary feel or a classic serif for a more formal look. Keep the number of different font styles minimal to avoid visual clutter and to make your content easier to scan. Finally, adjust the header style within the theme options. Depending on the theme, you can switch between title-only, banner, or a larger banner layout. Choose a header that suits your content density. A large banner is great for bold introductions, while a minimal header keeps the focus on your page content. If you use a header image, ensure the text overlay remains readable by choosing an image with simple composition or enabling a subtle overlay. As you make changes, your edits save automatically. Take a moment to scroll your pages and confirm everything looks consistent. That's it. You've customized your Google Sites theme with thoughtful colors, fonts, and a header style that supports your message.